Hey everyone, Codex here. So today what we're gonna do is take a look at Elrond or MultiversX, whatever you wanna call it, and we'll be diving deep into the price action and discuss where we are heading from here. There are a lot of misleading videos and tweets out there, and I would like to go over that and clarify a few things. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, make sure to join us in the Telegram channel. So since EGLD fell down within proximity of this $38 to $41 support, we haven't really seen much momentum. The price action has been in fact boring because we have been trading in a very tight range, up and down 4 to 5% at best. This momentum is of course understandable and expected since BTC has also been stuck between 16 and 17,000 US dollars for some time now. And we all know that when Bitcoin is having a hard time going up and trending higher, altcoins tend to experience a similar fate, especially in bear markets. In bull markets, the outcome might be a little different. Typically, we see Bitcoin stop climbing up for some time after yielding a very high return, and we see cash flowing from BTC into alts, which boosts their value. But in bearish phases, it's totally different. And as I said, if BTC isn't going high, alts won't be doing much either. We have gone that over 1,000 times already, and so please stop falling for the narrative that your alts will yield you a high return and give you a crazy high ROI in a short period of time when there are no catalysts. It simply won't happen in this current market. Now, what we must focus on is the support level which we've been toying with. This right here is also the same area we bounced back up in June when we crashed down. What you have to keep in mind is that this is what we call a high volume node, meaning that this area is a very high interest area. In other words, this level is where we see bidding amounts increase, and that's why we've been holding at $40 so far. Buyers perceive this support as a good entry point, making it a strong level. Now, if we fall below it, then we will of course go to the next support area, which is where investors and traders have historically been interested in trading EGLD, and that's right here. Will that happen? That I don't know. All I'm telling you is that if the price falls below the current support level, which is between 38 and 41 US dollars, the odds of us going to the next one are very high. You should always play this market level by level if you are planning on buying or selling. That's what will give you an edge over the rest. Now, what I want to say about Elrond, and this applies to the entire market by the way, even the stock market, is that the final destination is unknown. Where Elrond will be at in 4, 6 or 8 months from now is impossible to predict. I remember for a fact everyone telling me that BTC won't dip below 20,000 US dollars because it never went below a previous all-time high, and I didn't agree, and look at where we are now. So I want you to remember that the final destination is really unknown, and the journey we will go through isn't really easy to predict, and this is why we've mainly been focusing on the time aspect. I've said in the past that traders and investors often forget how important the time factor is, and it's showing off now. Bear markets always lasted for a very long time, and the events we are seeing with the economy, the fear, the inflation suggest that this bear market, that this bearish trend will last much longer than anyone expects it, and therefore I would say that we won't see a new all-time high for EGLD or BTC in the next 2 years. EGLD is currently down 92% from its peak, which we've reached a year ago, and in my humble opinion, this isn't the end. Please be patient in this market and stop panicking. Back in here, I said that we will most certainly retest our support. If you watch my videos, I'm sure you remember me saying that. And currently, we are doing that. It took us about 5 months, but it ended up happening. And so patience is what will push you forward. Also, I want to emphasize the fact that we can't really compare what's currently happening to the previous 2 crashes. The 2020 and 2021 collapse for EGLD happened in a bull market. This one right here, and also this massive correction, took places when we were in an uptrend, where now we are in a completely different environment. I honestly wish I had the balls of those guys who go around offering predictions and advice after being so wrong, the guys who bought the top and kept telling you to buy their shit coins at every relief rally, but I just can't. I do think that there is a bright end to this, a light at the end of the tunnel, and I'm bullish on this asset long term. We know that crypto is here to stay, and I'm sure the next bull rally will be impressive, and we'll of course have new catalysts. This cycle, we had institutions coming in, and we had the Feds printing cash like there is no tomorrow, and who knows what the next catalysts are. But now there is nothing, and you can't expect something from nothing. So this was my opinion on the market, and especially on Elrond. I do think that this bearish trend will last for much longer than anyone expects it. We'll see how it ends up playing. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day, and I'll see you on another video. Bye bye.